are you?
Chef Creepy. I mean Chef Alfredo.
Now, I hired. Why are you here?
I just want to be your new chef.
New chef?
Yeah.
We already have a chef.
And you can fire him and hire me. I make real good food.
Okay. I hope you don't sell any bad, make any bad stuff like potty mouth.
What the heck? What is that?
Mario, I have some bad news. What is it? I don't want to tell you. Tell me what is it, okay? Who are you?
Alfredo. Chef Alfredo.
Oh. So you're just trying, so you're letting Puppy fire me?
Mm-hmm.
Bye. Bye. Bye, host.
That doesn't mean you have to leave the place.
Well, we'll just walk to my own.
It's our house.
Okay. Oh, well, looks like a cardboard box. I like this place. It's kind of cool. Okay, so like your new job?
Yep.
Okay, Chef Alfredo, you can go to the kitchen, start making me like a cheeseburger. Please.
Okay.
I'll get Goofy out of the way. Oh, here I was looking at the stove. Well, get out of the way because Chef.
Here's a hamburger.
Oh, thanks.
Here you go.
Okay. Goofy, you can't be there anymore. Oh, yeah. You can sit with your nephew, Mokey.
Hi, Mokey.
Oh, hi, Bob. Sorry, Mokey's in Call of Duty, but he calls it Call of Duty because he has a bad speech. There's no call like the SML Mario. Like the SML Black Yoshi. Okay.
Well, I can help you with that.
Wait, you remember SML?
Yes.
Oh, not trying to be racist.
What is that?
People being mean to Africans.
Oh, that's okay.
No, it's not. That's how the Black Lives Matter thing came around. That's not okay.
Well, you're not a light person. You're just a dog.
I know I'm a dog, but I have some
technical speeches.
No, I have some white. I have some white in my fur, right around my
No,
eye.
that doesn't mean that's actually like white, like my arm jacket.
You mean your jacket?
Yeah, and my hat.
Wait, you don't have a name on it. That's because I never.
Because I never sewed it.
Okay, you can go without a name. Okay.
Okay. Why is there a baby bottle here.
No, that's just my soda I got from Burgerville the other day.
What? When did you get it? 2 days ago?
A few days ago, like a couple. Well, yeah,
A couple is 2.
yeah, a couple days ago. Wait, no, not 2 days. Actually, that was a few days ago. Not 2, but
10?
no, I got that 3 days ago. Want me to fire you, Chef Alfredo?
No.
Okay, that's what I thought. I would like.
You're dead. I think I'll drink this soda.
No! Give me back my thing!
No, get away.
Oh! Hi, Goofy. Hi, Goofy. Hi, Mario. I have to come in. Why is it an unlucky day for people? It's Friday the 13th, and we're hiring a new chef while Mario and Goofy have a bad luck. That doesn't even make sense. Oh, no.
It's Friday the 13th.
Well, Moki's kicked out, so the first. Now you're proud he doesn't play any Call of Duty.
Yes, because you won't learn bad language. That's why I did that to Mokey, but I didn't mean...
You did that to Black Yoshi because he's stupid. Also, yeah.
But I did that to Mokey because he needs to learn good language.
Yeah. Pee-pee?
What?
Wait, did I just call you Chef Pee-pee?
You could call me that. It doesn't matter. My name
Well,
is that.
that will be your nickname, okay?
Okay, you
Also, Chef Fernando.
Fernando.
Yeah, it means Ferdinand.
I'm not Ferdinand.
No, not the bowl. It's also a name.
I thought you were calling me the bull.
And I'm not going to say the full B word because that means I'll get demonetized.
What does that mean?
That means they'll get deleted. This video will get deleted maybe, so I'm not going to say bull. The B. I'm not going to say the B word. So don't.
Are you thirsty? Here you go. Is it still good?
Yeah, it's good. Anyways, I want to check on Astro. I'm just going to... Hey, Chef Peep. Wait, who are you?
My name is Chef Alfredo.
Chef Alfredo.
I live here now and cook for you.
Can you cook me spaghetti?
Sure.
Okay.
Here's spaghetti.
Okay. Wait, you have some special talent.
Thanks. I've been in
No.
cooking 20 years.
What? You can come back. Okay, so they're back in the
House? But is he still? Is he?
well.
Is he still gonna sit by the side?
Well, actually, there's only luckily no more bad luck for today. I'm just going to go back to sleep. Okay, welcome to being our new chef.
You're welcome, but sorry that
Wait, why does this only have 5 more seconds left? Wait, don't!